And here we go on the Log Flume at Gulliver's Land here in Milton Keynes. Yeah, having a good time though so far. Sun's come out as well now, if I ride. Perfect. 7 boats in operation on here today. I waited about 15 minutes, so not too bad. This is nice and scenic with the fountain here. Now I have been on this before, but it was a long time ago. So I'm looking forward to getting back on it. And yeah, a bit of a bigger drop on here than the other flume rides that we've seen at the other Gulliver's parks. Oh, Theme Park Worldwide on YouTube, it's called. I really like this Wild West area though back here, well landscaped. Little shout out to the channel there. How well am I going to get? That's the question. I mean, I'm the only one in the boat. Obviously normally with a ride like this it depends how much weight there is in the boat. But I've seen some people coming in quite wet just. Yeah, I think you can have like up to 4 in the boat, maximum of 2 adults. I think it's only the 1 drop. I'm expecting only 1 drop, but I can't really remember. Oh, there we go, 2 drops. Hey! Oh! Just a mini one. Sometimes though, they can get you wet in the big drops. You see that with a lot of flumes. There we go too. Now they have also got the farm and dinosaur park here as well, which is basically like a second gate. I think it used to be called the Gulliver's Eco Park back in the day, but I've never been in there before. Never used to have it last time I was here. So yeah, we're going to go and check out that as well this afternoon. That's open till 5, and that's like a second gate. I can see why they have that there now. Stop you getting too wet. Yeah, it's quite interesting how that is a second gate and not like it's an expansion of this part. But you look on Google Maps for here, they don't really have loads of land around, so maybe that's why like they've obviously expanded a little bit with that second gate here. That's that spinning boot ride. Yeah, they've actually got a small little drop tower. They have got a bigger one, but I don't know if that's open today. I think it was on the maintenance page that was going to be closed. Hey! Oh, we go. It smells a little bit, this water. So I'm hoping that I'm not going to get too wet, to be honest. It doesn't smell the nicest. But we will see. Here we go. Way! Oh! I got quite wet. Oh, good job the sun's out. Little tipping bucket effect. Yeah, I can smell the water. Not the nicest, I'll be honest. Well, there we go. That's the Log Flume. And a 4-minute ride station to station.